For these full minutes, time for you to feel at ease and return to yourself. If now, I'm a little nervous. If your heart is troubled, please take full advantage of this time for yourself. First, straighten your back slightly. Get into a comfortable posture. A chair or a floor is fine. Gently close your eyes. I'm going to turn my attention here now. Then breathe in slowly and let's throw up for a long time. Suck deeply again. Vomit for a long time. So from now on, from the top of your head to your toes, slowly, I'm going to scan my body sensations. Pay attention to what you feel. No need for evaluation or judgment. First, turn your consciousness to the top of your head. Feeling a little nervous? Wait, warmth. Feel anything? Observe quietly. Forehead, eyelids, cheeks, jaws. Each individual part, as if stroking consciously. Let's feel gentle. If you feel stiff, you can relax. Silently speak to me in your heart. Now your shoulders. Feel the feeling of losing strength in your left and right shoulders. Feel the weight. It feels like it's falling with a stone. The back of the neck, shoulder blades, consciousness to the whole back. Let's relax as we breathe. With your exhale, it's an image of tension going out. Upper arm, elbow for a wrist, palm to the fingertips. Warmth, coldness. Feel the interval between your fingers one by one. Here now, your hands only have a sense of determine it. You can place your hands on your chest and stomach in time with breathing. Swelling, try to feel it shrink or something. I am now alive. It's time to experience that feeling. Waist, thighs, knees, calves, ankle, to the soles of the feet. Slowly move your consciousness. I feel the soles of my feet touching the ground. You may feel a sense of security like grounding. I'm here. Feel certainty. Feel it with your breath. Finally, from the top of your head to your toes, feel the connection throughout your body. In my current state, come to this realization gently. It's okay to have thoughts and feelings. Just, I'm here now. This is already a significant step. Get ready to slowly open your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Touch lightly on your cheek with your fingers in the air. Open your eyes. At this present moment, may calmness envelop you. Thank you very much.